Okay, so this is the end result of the trimming the tiles to match the Pergo flooring. As you can see here, nice clean lines. I still have to put another piece here, so but I'm pretty much finished with this project here. I will be adding a little bit of caulk. I'll be taping both sides, to give me a strip of about 1/8 to 1/4 inch, maybe 3/16, just to cover these slight imperfections in the tile where the grout lines meet. So I'll be adding a little bit of caulk, some silicone caulk to clean this up a little bit more, and that should take care of that. I still need to put a 1/4 round right here to cover that section there. Very similar to this other corner here. You can see how that's finished there, and it's a lot better than using those transitions that create a little hump. I could never get those to remain permanently installed in the tracks. Plus I had to drill through the cement to attach those tracks, and then it was too much work. I think this is a lot better. I realized that when you install Pergo flooring, you do need a little bit of spacing between the edges, about a 1/4 inch spacing, to allow for expansion and contraction of the floor as you go through the seasons, the summer and the winter. But I'm not too concerned with that, because most of the time here is in Arizona summer. We don't have extreme colds where this is going to contract. In fact, as it is, the floor has already expanded, because I've been keeping these sections right here in my shed, which is very hot in the summertime. So I'm not too concerned with that, because the floor as it is has already expanded, and it's tightly fit into these areas here. So if anything, it'll contract in the winter if we have some very low temperatures, very rare here in Arizona. So I'm not too concerned with that, but at least I was able to finish this in a way without using those transitions, as I mentioned earlier. So it's a lot of work. Killer on the knees. If you're an older person, it's going to take a toll on your knees and your back. So right now my knees are killing me, and my back is also I'm under pain, even though I'm wearing a belt for my back support. But overall, it's I like to do these things. I like to do them myself, because at least I can control the quality and the finish as I like doing things. The tools that I've been using are these Ryobi tools. I had to invest on this. Well, I have a grinder, and I have typical tools that you would have if you were a homeowner and you do home projects. But this is the nice little tool that allowed me to do this. Cut some very straight lines, direct using a straight edge, as I show in my other video. With this Cutoff with a diamond wheel, which is designed for cutting tile, and I just cut it dry with a vacuum, with my daughter assisting me with a vacuum right on top of where the dust was coming out. But very nice tool, this little hand cutoff tool, and it comes with the other blades. Right now I have it with another blade other than the tile blade. This I was trying different blades. So, but this is the tool to use on something like this with this guide here. With this, you can adjust the height via this thumb screw here. You can adjust it up and down, and as long as you have a nice straight edge, this will follow the straight edge, and you can get clean lines on on tile. You just got to tape the tile. I used blue tape, painter's tape, but what I found that works better is packaging tape, clear tape. Just make sure the surface is really clean, so the tape adheres to the tile, and that way you can see where you're cutting